Good morning, everyone. Brian Cunningham, Restoration Concrete here in the Metro Atlanta area. Today we're in Snellville at the local Ford dealership, and they have asked us to help them with a drainage issue in their wash bay. And here's what's been happening. You can see the wash bay here. Over the years, the water has flowed up against the wall like this instead of to the drain. And so we are acid washing the concrete here. We're going to power wash it, and then we're going to put down a product called Cementol, and that is a cementous material with polymers in it. You can feather it down to almost 1/16 of an inch or less, and you can put it in up to 2 inches. We're going to go about 1.5 inches up against the wall, and then we're going to pitch it with our laser level down to the drain so that all of the water flows to the drain. So we're going to show you how we do it. As always, thanks for watching. Here is to good contracting. Let's do it.